TikTok is back, but where is CapCut? If you are a content creator like myself and you use CapCut on a regular basis, like every day, then you may want to tune into this video because I'm about to give y'all a workaround that'll have CapCut working until we get through this foggy period and they get everything restored. Let's go. What's good with YouTube? Happy Monday, happy MLK Day, happy Inauguration Day, whatever you celebrating, that's what's up. I hope you had a blessed day, had a blessed weekend. We about to hop right into this CapCut information. So if you are a content creator like myself, I use CapCut to edit all my videos. I do have other software that I use like on my computer and whatnot, but as far as easy use and being able to just upload and edit these videos from my phone, CapCut has been that deal. You know what I'm saying? If you know, you know. And if you use CapCut, that's why you clicked on this video. So we all know that with the ban of TikTok, CapCut was another app that was taken away from us, but it hasn't been fully restored or even accessible. If you click on CapCut right now, you might get a notification to say something like this that pops up on your screen. However, I did find out that you can still use CapCut in the most basic form. Now, you may not have all of the features and all of the templates and other nice, cool accessories and tools that they have on there, but as far as just being able to edit your video, yeah, I got y'all. So make sure y'all stick through to the entire video because I'm also gonna give y'all another app that I found that is just like CapCut, and it is free and is available on the market right now. So as easy as it's put, with the app being banned in the US, I was thinking, what if I wasn't in the US? Would CapCut work? And then that got me to thinking, well, how would I simulate not being in the US when I'm sitting in my living room? So there are two ways that you can get CapCut to, work in a sense, because you may have a video on there that you need to pull off or finish editing, and I know a lot of content creators, store, like myself, store their videos on there. So the first thing that you need to do, or you should do, in order to make CapCut work is turn your location off on your phone. When I turned my location off on my phone, I was able to access CapCut. I was able to get on there and I saw the lights like, oh, we back in this thing. You know what I'm saying? I was able to click on my latest video that I hadn't uploaded yet and try to play around with the features as far as, editing and captions and all that. I was able to edit the videos, but the captions and the templates wasn't popping up, I guess, because there's more of a server or a tool. So that worked initially. Then I closed the app and reopened the app and I got the same error message again. So I'm like, wait, hold on. I was just in CapCut using it after y'all said I couldn't use it. So I said, let me think. So basically all I did from there, number two, is I put my phone in airplane mode. With the combination of your location being off and going into airplane mode, they don't know where you're at because your phone ain't really on or whatever, in the sense of being in airplane mode. And I was able to access CapCut like it was, still working, not have all the features like I said earlier in this video, but I was able to edit the video, export the video, and do all of those things. So if you use CapCut and you still like how user friendly it is, and you just want to kind of edit some videos in the meantime, because I know they are going to reinstate CapCut. I saw a notification today saying that they were going get all the features back working. That is a pretty cool workaround that you can use right now in the meantime, in between time, until they figure everything out. So if you're having struggles with CapCut, turn your location off, and if that doesn't work on your phone, go into airplane mode, and you should take your message going from this to looking like this. So I hope that information was helpful for y'all, you know, some. And bonus in this video, like I said a little bit ago, I found a new editing app that is just like CapCut and just about all I haven't really played around with it as much as I'd like, but from what I can tell, it is a lot like CapCut as far as like the features, the templates, the captions, the editing, transforming, you know, thumbnails, all of that was in CapCut. I found it in an app called UCut. So UCut is one of these apps that I stumbled upon trying to find out what is the, you know, the next best thing from CapCut, because, you know, I don't think a lot of people knew that with TikTok leaving, CapCut was going to be gone as well. So now people are scrambling, trying to find other things. Like I know there's like Adobe Pro, but that costs money. And who wants to spend a whole lot of money on the same software and features that we previously had in CapCut? Now, I was using CapCut Pro because I was just really enjoying, you know, how user-friendly that app was. But I encourage y'all to give UCut a chance. I may add a little screen record in this video at some, you know, maybe at the end, just showing me go through me editing that last video that I put on there. But yeah, so CapCut may be gone in a sense, but it's not, you know what I'm saying? It's almost like it's on the other side of the wall. We just need to pull the app back over. But in the meantime, in between time, I hope this information was helpful for y'all. Let me know if it worked for you or not. And yeah, be more, let me put my bag up. If you know any good software apps like you've using outside of like Adobe, there's some other ones that slip in my mind right now that I should be thinking of. I know that on Android they have a pretty good software editing tool built into that, as well as iMovies on iPhone. So I know a lot of people may be using that, but let me know what you're using in the comments below. Let me know if the 2 steps helped you. And yeah, be more like God. Tell somebody you love them, and I'll holler at y'all in the next one.